So I want to share with you how you can make one logo yourself for free even though you have no design skills. I get that many people started new businesses from home during the lockdown, and even now there are still many people that I know of are trying to start new business. Some for side hustle and some are planning to go full-time on their new business. So I decided to make this video because I know a logo is definitely one of the first few things you need. But not everyone could afford a designer. So I want to share with you how you can make one logo yourself for free even though you have no design skills. A quick disclaimer, I make no profits from any of the platforms I use in this video. In fact, they have no idea that I'm producing this video while using their platforms. I do not seek for their approvals before publishing this video as well. I speak based on my own personal opinion, 100%. Even if you want to hire someone else to do the logo design for you eventually, I still recommend that you take some time to go through this video so that you have a better understanding of the process and have a general idea of what's possible. That way, it's going to be a lot easier when you are working with a designer because you will have a much better picture of what you like and what you dislike about certain things. Let's start off with the very first step, which is finding a logo generator. So what I did was I go on to Google to search for one. So I will go with this looka, depending on how you pronounce it. So for the purpose of today's video, I'll be using a fake company name. So the company name I have, let's call it YP. It's actually, I'm thinking it's a baby product selling wipers. So I just call it YP. The industry would be baby. Okay, good thing that it come up with some options for you to pick on. I'll just go with baby shop. Who knows, in future I might sell a different kind of products, right? So what you have to do, just pick what you like. It not necessarily be relevant to the brand or to the things that you sell, you offer. Just pick whatever design you like. So I put it like this, it's kind of modern, not too serious. I also kind of like this handwriting, a bit more, less corporate, less commercial. I like this as well, modern, simple, clean. And yep, another handwriting style. I do like this kind of just name and a simple icon or symbol. Kind of like this kind of logo mark. You can pick as many as you like, I guess. Just pick a few more and let's just call it a day. Right, let's see some colors. I like it. Since it's a baby product, I like it a bit. Or even describe, so here it even describes what it represents. So I guess blue and teal kind of align with what I want to do, youth, right? Right, let's go with these two colors and add a slogan if you have one. I'll just stick with my company name. Pick some symbol types. I don't know, maybe. Let's see. So at this point, it will start generating some designs. This is a time where you can just have a sip of coffee, watch a few video clips, and let it do its work. Okay, at this point, so there are some results generated. I'm not sure if there's more. Oh, you can look for more and it will continue to generate even more. That's amazing. So I think there's some pretty good options over here. So I'm not sure if it's, sometimes it might be a jackpot for you, but in my case, I kind of like, there's a mixed feeling there. I like the icon for this, but I don't really like the text. Yeah, text is not so bad. If you decided you can't decide on one, what you can do is at least pick one that at least hit one element right. Say, for example, this one. So you can click the icon and symbol, you can change it to other symbols. Say again, look for baby. So there are different kind of baby came out. So you just have to pick one that, let's say, I still insist on this design, and I kind of like this text over here. So I just want to align it symbol, kind of like sit next to the word. So I'm just gonna adjust the vertical position like this. If you like the size to be smaller, you can. Okay, so once you're happy with it, in order to download this file, right, the logo files, all 16 different versions of it, you have to pay. Now my promise is that you're gonna get this for free. So what you have to do is you go back to the previous tab, right? What you can do is take a screenshot. Now before you take the screenshot of this logo here, you want to make sure that it is large enough. So what I will do is I will actually increase the kind of zoom in on this browser. On my Mac, I just have to press Command plus. Okay, so I think it's big enough for me. What I'll screenshot this area here. Got it. So on Windows, you could use a snippet. The shortcut key for it is Windows Shift S. Then you can do exactly what I did just now. Right? And you can in fact change the color. Say if you like it black and white, make sure you make it black, and you just take another screenshot. And let me just get rid of the box and screenshot again. And there you go, a free logo that is usable for your website and social media. However, if you plan to use the logo on prints like packaging and big banners, then it might not be ideal. Usually the printing companies will request the logo to be in a vector format so that when it's printed out, the logo doesn't look distorted, pixelated, or blurred. If you come to this point, I recommend that you at least talk to a designer, pay them a fee to sort it out if you have to, because things could get really technical at this point. But if you really want to save every single dime, you know, Google is always your best friend. So I did some quick search on tools that can convert image to vector format, and I found Convertio. This is Convertio. The vector format, recommended vector format is either Adobe Illustrator or this EPS file. So Adobe Illustrator is much more common. Most printing companies will be able to accept AI file. Now the screenshot I took on my Mac is actually a PNG file, or I could just search for it. There you go. I'm gonna select my files. I could select my file, or I could just drag and drop into this space here. Drag that screenshot over there and click convert. Okay, so once it's done, just click download and you have your vector file. Convertio did a pretty good job converting the logo image file into a vector file, and it's surprisingly good in my opinion. And that's it. You now know how to create a logo for free without any design skills. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Share with me if you have made any new logos after watching this video. And as usual, please don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed this video and smash that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my videos. I'll see you in the next video.